Okay, from table VBRK, we are pulling some fields in our program that will just look into. VBLN is billing documents. We'll go to VF02 and we will pull a billing document number. There can be multiple, and this is the billing document number 907. And we will go for direct processing of this code, and then we'll understand the code later on. Pbox PPs 907. (9011). It's not actually okay. You might have to 07 and 011 PPs. Okay. This is basically the output billing document. Set value, sales order. Although it is picking up, it's picking up different sales order. Okay. So the code is okay. Set value 200. It's picking up the value. Got a little bit of. So it's evaluating 907 to 911, 5 or 6 sales orders. Okay. So let's study the program. Okay, it's pretty easy. And let's execute it again for the second option, Pbox. Okay. Okay. So VBRK, and we are pulling these fields from VBRK, and then we are defining another VBRP structure and VBRK. This is for sales documents, VBRP. Let's check that. SC11, VBRP display. And this is about item data. Okay. Item data and all item data related fields are being pulled in T06A, T006A. And this is about assign internal to language dependent units. Okay. Unit of measurement and unit of measurement text. Okay. T06A, KNA1. KNA is related to KNA1 display, general data and customer master. Okay. And these are the fields being pulled in. Then data, first was the types. Okay. These were the structures. And of those types, we are creating data variables or containers using these types. Work area VBRK will be copying VBRK, and then some of its fields like name on GP, MSEHL for pieces for name. And we're also using some internal tables as we were defining that also. Okay, select options. Now, select options were there in the program that we have seen. Okay, SVBLN for WAVBRK VBLN. Parameters, PPs type C as checkbox and Pbox type C as checkbox. Type and piece, box and piece. At selection screen, PPs is initial and Pbox is initial. Message E0, Z carry, and that is double click E000. Select one option, either pieces or boxes. Okay. So this is configured. Double click and you can change it as well. Okay. message E01 carry. I'm not editing right now. Okay. And if start of selection, at selection screen is first selection screen, then start of selection, you start using the fields. Select all these fields from VBRK when you are at this screen and load internal table when billing document is selected. Then select all the fields and load it into internal table when billing document is selected. And then we select customer related tables when uh, uh, Pooner, this is customer related field, and that is customer number, where Pooner equals ITBBRK Kunraj from Pooner from KNA1 is equal to VBRK's KUNRG. So we are comparing two tables here. Sort VBRP by billing document and loop internal table into load it into work area VBRP, and we are actually creating the form. We are sorting it. We are sorting it by billing documents. Okay, this is billing document. Okay, then we are looping it. Okay, at new billing document, where if you remember, there was a break in every sales. Read the table when customer number is equal to VBRK's Kunraj. What is Kunraj? Let's see that VBRK Kunraj. VBRK. Kunraj. Okay, let me find it like this. Kunraj. Kunraj is pair, same as customer. Okay. Billing document is equal to VBRK and VBRP billing. Okay, and then we actually produce the result, and that's how you actually program your form. Okay, I will copy this because we've removed all the errors from this one. Copy, and we'll post it here in our repository. We are building our repository, yeah, which is a good way to show your skill. Okay. Commit your changes. Updated and error-free code. Come on. What happened? Huh? And at okay. Main branch. Commit directly to the main branch, create a new branch for this commit, start a pull request. Wasnet patch 1. Yeah, here. It's not updating. Okay, anyways, I'll see it later. Okay. I hope this is clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, let's call it off here.